So as long as I live, I love you.
My dear student, I'm going to answer your question. How to factorize for question like this, right? This one. How are you going to factorize? Now, in order to factorize, we always choose the common factor. As you can see, you have x minus 3 here. You have x minus 3 here, right? This is power 3, this is power 4. So in this case, we always make the lower power as our factor. So for this one, I will write x minus 3 power 3 and x minus 3 power 1. You know why? Because as you learn in the X number, they say this is A3, this is A1. Isn't it got A4? Then the A4 will be this thing, right? X minus 3 to the power 4. Alright? Okay. This is power 4, right? So based on that concept, okay, we will actually make it split into two number or two bracket multiplied by each other, which is called factor. So then we have some more that we can factorize, which are 2 here. So the 2 and the 4 here. Okay, there is a common factor. So I'm going to write the factor in red color. So this one I'm going to write 2, and then this 2 I'm going to write here, right? So the balance that remain will be times 2, right? And then you have x squared plus 1, and then you have the x here, right? And there is a plus, don't forget, alright? So in future, if you want to factorize, actually in your mind, that is what you're supposed to figure out. So you see, the one that I'm going to pull out is the one that in red color. Agree? So the one that I'm not supposed to, not supposed to pull out, is means that they are not common factor. They are not in common, right? So as you use a different color, you will see clearly the red one are the common factor. It belongs to both of them, both terms. This term, we have two terms, right? The first and the second term at the back here. So if both terms belong to both terms, they are so called as factor in common. So the one that I wrote in red color are actually factor, we call as common factor. So I'm going to pull them out. So the moment you pull them out, you know, this is multiplied, right? So the balance that you're supposed to write should be this one, the leftover one in blue color. It's actually this whole thing is being divided by this. So the balance will be 2x squared plus 1, right? So you can say that I want to do like that, but you don't show. Okay, the meaning is like that, because when you factorize, actually you make it multiply. So the balance should be you divide and the leftover. Got it? Got it? Alright. After you understand the concept, then you will be comfortable with the factorization. Okay, so the one that in red color I'm not going to copy. I will copy the one that left over in blue color. So double check, because we might miss out the things that when we write, especially when we are in a hurry, right? In exam. So that is actually the factorize completely answer. You have to simplify like that to x squared plus 2 plus x squared, right? Minus 3x, alright? So do it, practice consistently, and then you will go fast. For your information, the algebra skill is very important in SPM exam. You must reach a certain level of algebra level so that you can go fast and confidence, alright? Double check 3x squared minus 3x plus 2. So normally the last answer we will write in all the terms multiply by each other. That's called factorize completely. So in exam, the answer that will be accept perfectly will be the answer which is completely factorized. Make sure you write your dy dx here. Alright, so this is the final answer after you factorize completely, and you will get full marks. Got it? Okay, that's all my sharing. Bye bye and have a nice day.
Love you.